Hello and welcome to another update video about stacks STX. Still an unchanged situation here. We have a potential 5-wave move to the upside on the chart. No change from the last update. Also, resistance is currently being maintained. So we haven't got a break above key resistance. We haven't got a break above the golden ratio. Either way, even if we break above the 61.8 retracement level, we only have 3 waves up off the low. And my concern is that we only have 3 waves down, so it is questionable, okay? It's a questionable wave count, not questionable wave count, but it's questionable that that the low is already established, okay? So we've seen a bit of a rally, that's fine, but not very clear micro action and also not a 5-wave move to the upside. So it remains my view that we should go lower, and I would like to see a new low below the 39.6 cent level. So that hasn't changed. I am of course observing that small rally here, but it's not enough to suggest that something really bullish is going on. In fact, what could be playing out here in this wave 4 is simply an ABC structure. A wave, B wave, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then potentially 5 waves up in an ending diagonal in the C wave. Let's make that yellow and let's zoom in. These micro counts are of course questionable when we talk about altcoins, okay? So first of all, I need to check something. I want to make sure that wave 3 wouldn't be the shortest wave. Yeah, it wouldn't be, so that's good. Because in a diagonal pattern, we cannot have wave 3 of C as shortest wave. You see distortions here and there, especially in altcoins, but I want to avoid it where we can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's at least a valid scenario. Let me change the wave degree. So, I mean, that basically means we have enough waves in place to count and consider wave C as complete. But let's double check the Fibonacci extensions because it might be able to push a little higher. So if we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B, well, to be honest, it reached perfectly the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension level, which is also the golden ratio. So honestly, it has reached significant resistance, not only Fibonacci resistance, but also structurally here, the previous swing highs. But overall, I mean, if it wants to turn around to the downside in wave 5, this would be the ideal spot to do it. Yeah. And if it wants to push higher, then, to be honest, this would be allowed in a diagonal pattern that this one could be. And even though it would move above ideal resistance for wave 4, it is not a strict rule that wave 4 cannot get above the golden ratio. And especially as long as we only have an incomplete downside pattern, because I only have 3 waves down in wave C, clearly. And as long as we only have 3 waves up off the low, I cannot confirm something more directly bullish here, but there is a reasonable chance for a 3rd wave rally from the yellow support area, as long as we don't break below 29.9 cents. Yeah, that's my update about stacks. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.